Hi, in this video of OJA Cloud, we're going to introduce you to the dashboard view. The dashboard view is the basic view for monitoring users' devices. It displays real-time data for the devices and an overview of the alarms and logs of the user's actions. We have the main menu, search, application menu, user settings, to change to map view, and a help page which will take you to the manual. We have the charts frame, which graphically displays the number of connected devices, A alarms, critical alarms, and B alarms, non-critical alarms. And in the lower part of this frame, we have the alarm history over the last 7 days. The active alarms frame, alarm frame, this is made up of 3 lists. We have the devices, the alarm, and a detailed overview of the alarm. And then we have the device frame. In the left here we have our device tree, alarms, A and B. These will respectively show red and amber if there is an alarm, device name, the last time that the device was connected. We have the temperature regulation, current temp set point, and the fan regulation. We have a graph and the power consumption. And in the last section we have our log of users' actions, showing all actions made by the users, and they are listed in chronological order and have an action code, timestamp, and description of the action. Thank you for watching this video, and for more information please visit our website at www.ojelectronics.com.